Hey. You gotta open it. Rip it up. Rip it. You can rip it up. Yeah. Yeah. We don't have a video recorder, so we gotta use what we got. Hey. Okay, March, mommy. Open. Open.
Open your sleeves. Ready? Ready? Go.
Yay.
Take this one. Here. Pull it.
Freak her out. Mackenzie, open it up. Grab it. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Grab it.
Rip it. Come on. Hey. Yeah, it's frilly. Come on. We go open it. We go open it. Oh, oh, I'll take that. Go ahead. You go open?
Ta-da!
Oh, wow.
You gonna play the paper or you wanna see what you got? Wow. PJs! 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 And there's puppies on them. With pants. This is awesome. Oh, and shorts.
Wow.
Yes. Another Christmas dress, somewhat, sort of.
Wow. Spoiled baby.
Pretty.
You like that one?
Puppy
You
on
like
it?
that one?
Look. Puppy.
Do you like that one?
You want to play the paper?
See, this is what we do. This is what we do after the Christmas presents are open. Oh yeah. Whoa. What you gonna do? Eh?